What is up, guys? DH got he here. No intro to this video. Let's get straight to the point. So for some of you guys, if your touchpad isn't working, first what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some type of external mouse. So I have a wireless mouse here. I'm just gonna plug it into my computer real quick. So if your touchpad is not working, which currently mine wasn't working last night, and I actually just figured out a way to fix it by myself. So this is my method. Tell me in the comments down below if it works for you, but basically if your mouse isn't working at all, you need some type of external mouse for like you to be able to use your mouse at first. And that literally always works. So let's get straight into it. So first you're going to come here to the start menu. You're going to type in mouse settings. Okay, and then just click the first one that pops up. Okay, now you're going to go here. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go here into additional mouse options. By the way, guys, this is on Windows 10, so if your mouse isn't working, make sure your thing is updated to your PC is updated to Windows 10, because that is what I'm doing. And if you're on Windows 7 or whatever, it's probably not going to work, because Windows 7 and 10 are totally different, obviously, but most people got that nowadays. So go to hardware, then you're going to go into properties, and you're going to go into events. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to see all these events here. It's going to show you the mouse stuff. So you're going to hit view all events, and then when you hit view all events, see how it's loading there? Something will pop up, and it'll come up in a second. So there you go, right there. It'll say adding in snap to console. So this thing does take a while. So what I did is I closed out these. I also closed out this. Okay, but this does not close out. So what I did is then I restarted my computer. I went here, restart, and when you restart your computer, it should then work. I've tried this. It works for me. Comment down below if it works for you, and your mouse should work just fine. So guys, my computer has successfully restarted, and I'm now gonna plug this out here and put it back in here, and your mouse should be fully working at this time. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna aim this down a little bit. So I'm using the mouse pad, and it's working just fine. Often it depends on your device, but I've tried this on other models as well, and it worked for me as well. Is just do those same steps I just showed you and restart your computer, and it should work perfectly fine. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, share this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video.